Welcome back to Learning with the Difference News Headlines in English for School Morning Assembly of 17th of June. And first of all, national news. Agnipath scheme over 34 trains cancelled due to protest, says Railways. No announcement made on resumption of senior citizens' railway concessions. Government. Lucknow UP police met religious leaders, increased security for Friday prayers. 15 kg bomb found in Kashmir, two arrested for helping terrorist plant it. India and ASEAN resolve to expand cooperation in trade, defense, vaccines. And now some international news. 1,000 Chinese citizens in Islamabad to inform cops about movements. Russia wants complete destruction of Ukrainian statehood and nation, Kiev. Syria, US helicopters swooped down on house to capture top ISIS terrorist. Scientists observed dead star destroying a planetary system. Colombian police seized 1,300 kg cocaine camouflaged as potatoes. And now some sports news. Neeraj Chopra to lead India's 37-member athletics team at Commonwealth Games. For 3 years, I have been looking from outside. Dinesh Karthik on India comeback. Former Ireland captain William Porterfield announced retirement from international cricket. JK Tyre has announced a new scholarship program of rupees 2.5 crore that could be game changer for Indian motorsports. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.